Wow. 684. 167. First pass. Probably lifted right there at the 8th. Pretty nice. That was a good pass.
What did it go?
684.
No, it did not.
Yes, it did.
Oh, holy crap.
You did?
That was a 6.
Yeah, you did it really.
Oh my God.
You did a nice burnout. I was gonna give you a thumbs up. I mean, you did everything perfect.
Let's go.
Everything perfect, man. Right there.
Where's he at?
He's coming. He's getting your ticket.
684. What?
You lifted probably just after the 8th.
I lifted right after the 8th.
Right after the 8th, yeah.
680. Oh my God! What is this thing gonna go at 5?
No, but
You stayed in it, turned it up. I mean, it's gone.
it'll probably go 60 right here. 60, maybe a 50, but probably more like a 60. All right, second pass. Full quarter mile, we think. There you go. 653, 224. There you go. 653, 224. Pretty good.